Hi, this is Grace Power with Luxury Magnetic Lashes, and today I'm really excited to tell you guys about our brown eyeliner. It's a magnetic eyeliner that works with our brown magnetic lashes. You can also use it with the black magnetic lashes. So I'm going to be demonstrating the products today and also showing our variety of lash lengths and widths that you can choose from, because we do customize the lash sizes so you can get exactly what you need and what you want for your eyes. So I'm going to show you over here. I have different lengths. This is the extra short length, which is 1 inch wide from magnet to magnet, and I do leave a little extra hair tufts on either end that could be trimmed if need be. This is our short length, this is our medium length, and our long. And then these two are our 2 magnet lashes that I call them the starter lashes because they're easier to work with when you're first learning how to do magnetic lashes compared to the 3 magnets, but they may not cover your entire eye if you have a wide eye. So this is our short and this is the extra short, and those are the 2 lengths that I make in the 2 magnet lashes for the brown styles. They also are part of our starter kit, so you can look for that. This is the one that I'm gonna kind of show today, and once you take it off the magnetic strip, you can kind of see better what they look like. They are on a black magnetic strip in the case, so that's what you see with that dark line there. To start off with the magnetic eyeliner, you're going to apply some to the application brush, and then you're going to put it across the base of your eyeline, getting really close, and also think about putting some on the hairline because the magnets are actually going to be on the hair when they're gripped together, not your skin. So you can kind of overlap a little bit and get some onto your hair as well. So you can see how I'm just doing a thin coat there. Just kind of dipping into the product as need be as I go across the eye. Now on the end of the eye, that's up to you if you want to do kind of the cat eye look or extend it out past, but as far as necessity, you only need to put it on to the end of the eye where the magnet's going to be. I'm just going to even that out a little on the skin just to look smooth. And I'm just going to touch a little in here just to make it look good. Okay, so I'm going to kind of get close to see if I did that. I think I'm going to put a little bit more. I'm going to do one more layer just to give it extra magnetic power. The main ingredient in this product is iron oxide, and there's the brown and black iron oxide. Those are what makes the eyeliner magnetic. Okay, so this is the top lash that I'm going to use. It has the 2 magnets on it, and once you put it in place, you just want to let it stay where you put it. So kind of be thinking about where you want to put it before you let it grab. So I'm just going to put it above the eye and then let it grab down to the eyeliner. Okay, so then the eyeliner will help hold it in place while you're getting the lower lash ready. To put the lower lash on, I just bring it all the way up to my bottom lash and then I just blink onto it. And then you just want to pinch the 2 lashes together and also push it up a little bit, because sometimes when they grab it's kind of more flat, so I always just kind of press it and fluff it up so you get the full curl and the length. If it's pulling on or pinching any of the skin, you need to release it, otherwise your skin is going to hurt at the end of the day or even after a couple minutes. So to do that, I didn't pinch the skin, but you would just lift up the eyelid to release it. Okay, so on the other eye, I'm going to show the 3 magnet lash. But because my eye is not, I can kind of force the 1-inch lash on, but I prefer 15/16 inches. And this is the 1-inch. So you can see how it's a little bit wide for my eye. It like almost fits it perfect, but when I'm wearing it, it feels a little uncomfortable. So I wanted to show people how to trim it. If it's uncomfortable at all, it doesn't need to be. So when I go to trim, I like to trim the inner magnet because that's where I like to have a little more curve and I like more grip on the outer edge. So I like to leave that full length of the magnet on the outer side. So I'm just going to use fingernail clippers, or this is toenail clippers, and just pinch right through that magnet. And that should be the perfect width for my eye. See how that fits a little better? And it's mostly for comfort reasons. Then on the lower lash, you're going to want to do the same thing. So you're going to take that inner eye magnet and just trim a little piece off, like one hair tuft. One thing that happens is the end is a little white because the inside of the magnet is white. So you can just use your magnetic eyeliner and cover that white tip up, or you could use like a brown Sharpie or another type of brown eyeliner, whatever you have handy that kind of be brown, and cover that. Okay.